Hello everyone watching the video. My name is Mingde. Today I will talk about Denmark. The country is in Scandinavia with an area of 43 square kilometers, 43,000 square kilometers, one third of which is the area of 443 large and small islands. Denmark has a total area of 4,394 divided into five administrative regions. Their regions are divided into 98 municipalities. About the history of Denmark after World War One, the Danish-German border was re-established in 1920. It was officially determined and exists to this day. Northern Schleswig returned to Denmark. After the war, Denmark became a member of NATO in 1973. The kingdom became the first Nordic country to become a member of the European Community. World Heritage Sites in Denmark include an ancient tumulus, the Chelling Stones and the Chelling Church, as well as Roskilde Cathedral and Kronborg Castle in the city of Helsingør. Denmark's most famous writer is Ludvig Holberg, author of 31 comedies, 4 volumes of poetry, 4 essays, 8 historical novels, and a satirical novel. Danish architecture dates back to the Viking Age, but became known in the Middle Ages when Romanesque churches and cathedrals, followed by Gothic architecture, appeared throughout the country, inspired by French castles and with the help of Danish designer. Renaissance architecture developed with many magnificent royal palaces. Traditional Danish Jesuit is like that of other Nordic countries and northern Germany, consists mainly of meat, fish, and potato. Danish dishes are often seasonal, reflecting the country's agricultural past, its geographical location, and its climate with long, cold winter. Open bread called smørrebrød, traditional hot dish, includes meats such as donuts and hakkebøf, and like meat or fish dishes such as flageotek and kottos. Denmark is famous for its Carlsberg, Tuborg, Aquavit, and bitter beer. The most popular sports in Denmark are football, rowing, and kines and handball, or rowing of all kind and handball. In badminton, Danish athletes are also world champions. Danish love cycling because it is convenient and environmentally safe. Some of them even use bicycles as an alternative to other means of transport. That's Denmark. Goodbye everyone and see you in the next video.